Okay, and it's not a comedy. It's not motivational too. So just relax yourself, enjoy the show. So I just want to tell you about myself. Okay, myself. I'm 20. Recently 20 done. So my age is 21, running right now. So okay, let's explore what we have in our hands. Okay, so suppose you are graduated from a college. So क्या मिलेगा? Job मिलेगा. And then what? कुछ पैसे कमाओगे. उसके बाद क्या? There is no peace of mind anywhere in between. From the stage you are studying in school to the stage you graduate and to the stage where you work in a cubicle. Peace of mind नहीं. थोड़ा आराम करो. जिंदगी बहुत बड़ा है. That's wrong. जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है. और the world is very big. I would say in Telugu to millions of people the same thing. In let me tell you in Telugu. ప్రపంచం చాలా పెద్దది. జీవితం చాలా చిన్నది. ప్రతి మూమెంట్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. ఈ క్షణం మళ్ళీ రాదు. So I really feel that thing, because I explore many things like doing drawing, painting, so many things. I code, just now completed an app coding and I came here. So I'm a programmer. I want to say that 20 to 30 years later, you'll have millions of options. There are so many choices out there. You don't trust me when I say that. आप लोग who are above 30, there are options. But for the people from 20 to 30, the people in 20s, they have millions of options. So explore. Each and every thing you have to explore. Only then you'll know your passion. So I want to say something. So the whole thing, 20 to 30 and the age of thing, I travel. I'm a traveler. Not time traveler. I'm just a traveler. So I travel many places. So I went to Madurai, just recently Madurai, Mysore, Bangalore. Countless places. But I'm just 20 years old. So does age matter? No, it doesn't actually. Seems right? See, in every kind of work, there is a creator and there is a consumer. There is a producer and there is a consumer. You be the producer in any kind of field. In any kind of field, you be the producer. You will shine. No. Be it reels, be it dance, be it content creator, be YouTube creator, anything. If you are a creator, you will shine. If you are a consumer, you will consume. Be it money, like if you watch reels, there are millions of people watching reels, but how many of them make reels? How many of them, write books? How many of them do things, you love? How many of them code an app for you? You use many apps, right? How many of them code? How many of them are developers? How many are creators? So be a creator, learn new money, पैसा आप कभी भी कमा सकते हो. In a real life, कभी भी कमा सकते हो. That's not a big thing. पैसे को सही तरह से use करना, to grow, to explore new things. So my channel is Hari Explores. So I love the word explores. So each and every one of you have your own talent, you have your own agenda. You're born for something in this world. Never give up your hope on life. Always be happy. Again I'll say you, जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है और दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है. Each and every second of your life, each and every second matters. Don't just waste it doing useless stuff. अब छोटे बच्चे हो या फिर से छोटे बच्चे या आप बूढ़े हो or any kind of age you are, you have a limit, on this earth. Your time is limited. Even my time is limited, 5 minutes. Last 1 minute is remaining, I guess. So enjoy the life. Enjoy करो. मौज मस्ती करो. जो भी काम, जो भी तप्पुలు ఏమన్నా కానీ ఇప్పుడు చేయండి. Like any mistake you want to do it right now, because you have the capacity to heal it. अगर आप बूढ़े होकर मिस्टेक करोगे, किसको फर्क पड़ता है? And you will not grow, because at that time you will be already grown. You have children to take care of. So I would say enjoy the life, and yeah, bye.